Welcome back to Happy Mommy Makeup. Today we are going to do a Boxycharm unboxing. So I've already opened it up to see what I was going to need. Let's see. This month's theme is sunshine. And the first thing we're going to take a look at is the Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes eye mask. And this retails for $21. And it says, suffering from dark circles, puffy eye bags, fine lines, and general fatigue around your eyes, perk them up as if you've just had 8 hours of sleep. And to me, I feel like I look pretty exhausted today. So, perfect. Let's see. Set a timer for, let's go 20 minutes for these. And while that timer is going, we're going to take a look at this thing, which is the Hourglass Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. It retails for $28. In soft verdette. Got a little tiny tip to it. Do what you do. Let's go. I like this brow pencil because it doesn't go on heavy-handed, and I'm pretty heavy-handed. Or it doesn't go on too dark, and I'm pretty heavy-handed. So I'm able to build it up as needed because I like more natural brows, not too darker brows, so I like it. The next thing in the box is this, which is the Quick Color Switch Dry Makeup Brush Cleanser by Lavish. And I'm super excited for this. So, we're gonna use that along with the next thing, and that is the Pure Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. Oh, the Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner retails for $20, and the makeup palette retails for $36. This is what it looks like. It has 12 pressed pigment palette or eyeshadows. I'll use this mirror. So before we go into the palette, I'm going to prime my eyes with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Alright, the first color I'm going to use is Photo Pop, this one right here. Please. I think Pure Cosmetics palettes always smell like chocolate. It smells so good. I'm gonna go in with Onset. Take that previous brush that I used for Photo Pop and just kind of blend them. I'm really drawn to these three shades here, so I'm going to use those on my lid. We'll go with we'll go with Utopia first. Applying very well with the brush, so I'm gonna use my finger. And I'm gonna go in with Electric on my finger. Right in the middle of my lid. And then I'm going to go with the VIP Pass for the outer corner. I'm going to take that brush that I was trying to work those colors with and just kind of take it and see if I'll blend in it. Original brush and kind of blend them. Alright, and I guess I didn't really use the same brush for any of those, but I'll just try this out. like I got a lot of product off. Pretty excited about this thing. All right, I'm gonna go take these off and clean up my face a little bit, and I'll be right back. And the last thing in the box is this thing. And this is the 111 Skin Pollution Defense Booster. And this is what it looks like. And this retails for $135. Whoa. And it says it's a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. I hope this baby works for $135. Woo! All right, I'm gonna use this as a primer. I'm just gonna use a very little bit. Maybe that's what I should do. People just drip it on the face. Maybe I need a little bit more than that. Doesn't have much of a strong smell, which is good, and it leaves my skin feeling a little tacky. I'll just have to keep trying it out and see what I think. I'm gonna go finish up my face makeup, then we'll finish the eyes, and I'll add everything up and let you know what I think. To finish the eyes, we're going to mix Photo Op and Onset. For my inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlight, I'm going to use Euphoric. This is the final look with all the products that I got in my box. And the retail value of all of these products equals out to $240. That is insane, especially with the box being just $25. I do love this. I feel like the colors are very pigmented. This is insanely expensive, so I hope I love this. Always love eye masks, and I was super excited for this thing. So while I was applying my face makeup, I was using some of my face brushes on this, and you can see it took out a lot of product, so I think it works great. And I do already love the brow. Again, this video is not sponsored or affiliated with Boxycharm at all. I just absolutely love getting Boxycharm. If you are subscribed to Boxycharm, please let me know what you got in your box. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye!